BMW M2 CS, one of the 50 that are in the UK. Today we've fitted a Remus exhaust to it. Basically the process of that is unpacking the new exhaust, lay it out on the floor, get it built, make sure we have all the parts. Then I'll start offering it up to the old system, getting bits in line, marking where to cut as it goes into 2 pipes into a mixer. So I'll make the cut and remove the old system, remove the hangers, remove the valves, get them all installed on the new system. Old system removed, it's on the floor and it's ready for the new Remus exhaust to go on, and that's simply just a reversal of what I've done to remove the old system. The standard exhaust is all one piece. That's just why we've had to cut it. The Remus exhaust is 6 piece exhaust. So it has the valve module piece as a separate part to the back box, and then you have a pipe to the mixer. M2s, M3s, M4s, you have one sort of massive box in the middle of the car. This has 2 separate boxes for each sort of pipe system. So it has one mounted on top of the other. So the only piece of the puzzle this exhaust didn't come with was a set of tips, and that is because the customer is buying a separate set from us, which is a little bit more flashy.